Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to look at how we can get MTN free 50 gig for free. And in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can also get your own free MTN data, free 50 gig for your phone that you can use and upload and do everything you want within 24 hours. This data it lasts for 24 hours. So if you know you haven't done your own before, just follow me step by step how I activate my own so that you too will be able to activate your own and enjoying your own data. First of all, what you are going to do is that you are going to log in, go into your Google Play Store or Apple Store. So for here, I'm going to enter Play Store. So when you are in your Play Store, just search for my MTN app. My MTN app, my MTN app, my MTN app. So you're going to look for the ones in your country. If you look here now, you see my MTN Nigeria. So for me now, as a Nigerian, I'm going to download this one or install this one in my phone. But if you're a Ghanaian, you see my MTN Ghana, something like that. So download according to your country. So after you install, so for me now, I've installed my own. All I have to do now is to open this app. So I'll open this app. Okay, right now I'm on my app. What I have to do now is to click get started. Is to click here, get started. So you have to choose any of the one you want to sign up with, either with your sign up with Apple, Google, Facebook, or continue with your phone number. To me, I'm going to sign up with my email. I'm going to sign up with my Google account. I'm going to sign up with my Google account. So right now, you are going to input your MTN number, your valid MTN number, the valid one, the one in your phone. That's the one you're going to put. So right now, I'm going to input my own phone number. After inputting your phone number, then you click continue. Then as you click continue, you bring you to this page like this. Then you have to verify your OTP. So it's my OTP just enter automatically. That's how your own is going to enter. But in case it didn't enter, just do other things that will survive it. So after you see quick link and other things. So the screen will just be directing you. Just press all those screen. Just follow all those screen. This thing, those all, and before you know, you are good to go. As you are just here like this, you as you have me, because I have already accepted my own 50 gig. My own will not come again because I've already used this phone number. But just follow this my process and you will see your own result. Just comment below and tell me what you can say about this video. Alright, please, if you find this video very helpful, please give me a like and thumbs on there. Give me a like and subscribe to our channel for more video like this. It's going to be very packaged. We look for everything that is packaged and give to you. We don't just give unnecessary things here. So everything that works for us, that's what we bring to for you and share with you guys. Alright, see you on the other side.